Welcome back to Sincerely Legenia. In today's video, I am continuing in my efforts to get my kitchen nice and clean. The way in the first video, I cleaned and sanitized my cabinets really well, and I'm really pleased with how that turned out. In the second video, I totally reorganized my pantry. I threw out all of the expired and old items, cleaned off the shelves, swept and mopped the pantry floor. You guys, it was a great turnout. I love the results of my new pantry. So in today's video, I am going to tackle my kitchen floors. I'm going to get in there and I'm going to clean the grout in my kitchen floors. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So these are our kitchen floors. I mop my floors on a regular basis as usual, but you know what? I've never just gotten in there and cleaned the grout in the kitchen floors. So I bought myself a grout cleaner, a liquid, and also a brush that can help get in there and clean out the grout really well. So that's what I'm going to be working on today, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I'm hoping that this will motivate you all as well. You seem to be motivated by the pantry clean, and so I'm hoping that this will motivate you guys as well. Let's do this together. Let's have nice squeaky clean kitchens because we have a whole year of cooking to do in 2022. Hey, look at there, I rhymed. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, everybody, so this right here is the brush that I got for the grout. It's one of those, I don't know what you call it, a grout cleaner brush or something. But let me show this to you guys. This is the brush for the grout cleaner, and as you see, it comes with like a little point there down the center so that it can get in between the grooves of the tile to get to that grout. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this together, and then I'm gonna get my solution together for my mop water. So I know that I'm short. I am 4'11" for those of you who don't know. But I have to say, this is like the smallest handle I have ever seen. I'm hoping maybe there's another piece that I forgot, or maybe that I dropped, because I'm going to be like really hunched over to get in between the grout on the kitchen floor. My goodness. Anyway, that's what we have. Let's get our mop water solution together. So the first thing I'm going to do is use this Rejuvenate Grout and Deep Cleaner. I'm going to transfer it out of this bottle and put it into another spray bottle. My spray handle was too large for this particular bottle, so I'm just going to make this transfer really quickly. Before I start mopping the floors and cleaning the grout, I'm going to first sweep the floors really well. So that's what I'm doing here, just making sure I get up all of the excess dirt. So I actually go over my floors twice in sweeping them. So after I finish sweeping the floors, now I'm going in with the grout cleaning solution, and I'm spraying in between the floor tiles to get to the grout. This is the process I'm supposed to use. Spray it and let it sit and soak for about 5 to 8 minutes to help lift up all of the dirt. While that is soaking, I'm going to go ahead and get my mop water solution ready. And I love this little concoction. I got it from a user on TikTok. I cannot remember her name. I'll try to link it below. But I go in with some Tide. I go in with some rubbing alcohol. I love using the rubbing alcohol. It helps my floors to dry a lot quicker. And then I use the lavender scent Fabuloso. This stuff smells so good. I also use extremely hot water, so much so that I'll even go in with some boiling water and put it in there to help to lift up all of the dirt. So I put this concoction together, and you all, when you use this on your floors or even your walls, it leaves your house smelling absolutely amazing. So So here I am now. I'm using the grout brush to scrub in between the tiles to get to the grout. And you guys, I had no idea what I was getting myself into when I started this process. This is literally a workout, okay? And being that the mop handle or the grout cleaner handle was so short, I had to be hunched over to get in between there and just scrub really, really well. This was tiring. It took me about an hour and a half to complete the entire thing. It was very tedious, very tiring. I mean, I was sweating, you guys, but don't work out when you're going to do this, okay? Because this will be the workout that you need for the day. But again, I love the result, and it's very rewarding when you see the results after, but it is definitely a job. So here I am here. I'm just cleaning the grout brush with the mop water that I have. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my mop, and I'm going to make sure I get all of that water out, and I'm going to mop up the grout cleaner before I go in to mop the floor. So I'm getting up all of the grout cleaner. I'm going to show you guys in just a little bit how much dirt came up from cleaning the grout. It was not as much as I thought it was going to be, but it was still quite a bit. And so I'm so glad to get that up and off of my floors. So now I'm going in and I'm mopping my floors. You guys, I went over my floors twice during this process, and I'm telling you, it is just amazing how much this solution has your entire house smelling so good. Okay, everybody, so I am beat, okay? I'm sweating. I think I'm sweating my curls out. This was a serious job, like seriously. I don't know why I thought I was going to be able to get this done in about an hour. No, ma'am, no, sir. So I've just mopped. I, with the dry mop, went over and got up the grout solution, and then I've mopped the floor twice. I'm going to dump out this dirty water, put some fresh mop water in here, and give it one more go over, and then I'm going to be done. But you guys, this, oh my gosh, do y'all see? I'm sweating, I'm perspiring. Like, this was serious, but it smells amazing in here, and my floors look really good, so I can't wait to show you the after. But let me go ahead and dump this water out, put some fresh water in here, and give it one more go over, and then I'll let it dry, and I'll show you guys the final result.